Welcome back, dear students. I am Rajiv Lohani and I am here with you to discuss the torque experienced by an electric dipole when it is placed in a uniform electric field. The uniform electric field in this diagram has been represented by the straight parallel lines and is directed from left to right in this case. The strength of the field is E at every point from left to right. In this field, I have kept a dipole of length 2L. The axis of the dipole is making angle theta with the external field. O is the midpoint of the dipole. At end A is the negative charge minus Q, and at end B is the charge plus Q. Now we know that a charge when placed in an electric field experiences a force Q into E. So the positive charge in this case will experience a force F equal to Q into E in the direction of the external field, and the negative charge minus Q will experience an equal amount of force in a direction opposite to the external field. These two equal and opposite forces therefore form a couple of forces which will have a tendency to rotate the dipole about its midpoint O, so that the dipole orients itself parallel to the electric field as shown in the figure on right, and once it is in this state, the torque becomes zero and dipole will experience no torque and therefore it will not rotate. In order to calculate the amount of torque experienced by the dipole, let us see this figure in which I have completed a right triangle ABC, right angle at C. The side BC of the triangle is the distance between the two equal and opposite forces. So the force multiplied by the distance BC is equal to the torque experienced by the dipole. Therefore, tau equal to F into BC. Now we know that perpendicular divided by the hypotenuse of the triangle is sine theta, where theta is this base angle. So BC upon 2L is sine theta. Therefore, BC is equal to 2L into sine theta. Replacing F by Q into E and BC by 2L sine theta, the expression for the torque experienced by the dipole becomes tau equal to QE into 2L sine theta. But Q into 2L is known as the electric dipole moment of the given dipole and is represented by the letter P. Therefore, the expression for the torque experienced by the dipole becomes tau equal to PE into sine theta.